Have you ever looked at yourself in the mirror recently and said, "Taba ko? Ang pangit-pangit ko. Ang itim ko na." Tapos, you would suddenly feel bad for yourself and start blaming things on you. Kung bakit ka iniwan, kung bakit di ka pinili, kung bakit ka mag-isa, kung bakit hanggang ngayon andito ka lang. Alam mo, the sad reality is that you are trying to fit in too much. What if nasa maling environment ka? What if napapaligiran ka lang ng mga taong neka sa'yo? What if pinipilit mo ang sarili mo sa mga taong hindi naman nakikita ang worth mo? Kaya ang ending, pinipilit mong maging katulad ng iba at pinipilit mong baguhin ang sarili mo para lang sa iba. Makinig ka. Walang competition in looking good all the time. Even the prettiest people in the world have their bad days. And even the most good-looking people have their own flaws. At ang totoo, there's really nothing wrong with how you look. But there's a lot of wrong in the way we pressure ourselves into thinking na mahalaga yung sasabihin ng iba at importante ang opinion nila. Kung iniwan ka man ng partner mo, kung hindi ka man i-crush back ng taong gusto mo, kung sinaktan ka man ng taong mahal mo, that doesn't make you less of a person. That doesn't even prove na may mali sa'yo. And believe me when I say this, ano man ang sabihin ng iba, there is one person out there admiring you from a distance. May isang tao na nagugustuhan ka because you are you. Yung mga ngiti mo, the way you carry yourself, yung cuteness mo, yung personality mo. Wala ka lang talagang tiwala sa sarili mo. Kaya I hope one day you'd appreciate yourself more. Yakapin mo ang pagkatao mo ng buong buo, both good and bad. At sana, sa susunod na haharap ka sa salamin, kaysa maghanap ka ng kapintasan mo, why not just tell yourself, "I love you, you're doing good, and you are looking way better than yesterday." At tandaan mo ha, walang ibang mas magmamahal sa'yo gaya ng pagmamahal na kaya mong ibigay sa sarili mo.